Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, like you saw in the title, I'm going to be creating this beautiful rustic look. The inspiration for this look was the Rustic Glam palette itself by Dominique Cosmetics. It's Kristen Dominique's brand. She's a YouTuber. So yeah, I really loved all the colors, the variations, and the whole theme of the palette was so good that I had to come up with a look that is like Egyptian and very authentic. I really loved this look. I had so much fun creating it. Of course, it was a little challenging, but yeah, hey, what's life without challenges, right? It's a very colorful, dramatic, unusual look. It's unique. I really loved it. So yeah, I love experimentation, and if you also love that, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and you can also watch it together if you are together. If you are excited to see how I created this look, then let's just quickly jump into the video. that was the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. It's not a very simple, easy go-to look. It has a lot of steps, lots to improvise, and you can actually come up with your own versions of this look. So yeah, I had fun creating it. I hope you did too. So before leaving, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel because it will mean a lot to me, and yeah, share it with your friends, inspire them to experiment with makeup looks. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.